Nation. Today we're going to be making a gasket for our intake / rocker covers on this Hotz diesel engine.
It all comes off in one unit. This right here is supposed to be at the same height as this for you to bolt the fuel filter and the starter solenoid onto. So, since that one's broken off, we pulled one off of that parts engine over there. And it's right here. But none of the gaskets for that were salvageable. Almost had it, but they were stuck. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I make gaskets. I've played it in other videos before, but I wanna show you guys the entire process. So we have this gasket material from Felpro, and this is made to handle oil. There's different ratings on them, and this one's made for oil. What we want to do is make sure we look through and we can see the threads where these head bolt or these bolts are going to go. We always start our bolts by finger. You can see all the way through there. I'm gonna run these down real gently with the impact. Just real gently. We'll kind of do some crisscrossing. Now I don't have the torque spec for these, so I'm going to go through and just tighten them down nice and snug. This is all aluminum, so we're wanting to just be real gentle on it. Alright, that should be good. Now, We'll put a little UV dye in the oil so that when we start this back up to make sure everything's still good, that we can go through with the black light and check for any leaks around this, and if we have any leaks, then we'll fix them. All right, here's a little UV dye from Napa. It's engine, transmission, fuel tank, and power steering systems UV dye. Part number 765-2661 from Napa. And it's only gonna need just a little bit. This stuff goes a long way. They make this for coolant. We wanna make sure we don't get any on the actual engine, or if you're putting it into the engine of your car, you wanna make sure you don't accidentally spill some, because then you're not gonna be able to see it. Just a little bit of oil in that system. Oop, we got a drip right there. Let's wipe that up. That's some pretty good stuff right there.
Thanks for watching the video. This is a great tip and hack for being able to do all kinds of gaskets on all kinds of things. You've seen it in my other videos. This gasket material, I just got it at AutoZone. I'm sure any auto parts store would have it, but it's a pretty good long roll. You could do it on a pretty big piece too, a long manifold. You could do a 2-piece, all kinds of stuff. We've used it on oil pans. You know, on these, the oil pan is just the right size to be able to put this down, trace the outline, and put it down. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment with any questions, and we'll see you on the next one. Make sure to leave your mark.